Happy Sunday, everyone! Let's start this week off right tonight with some wonderful, delicious, yummy French bread pepperoni pizza. Stay tuned and I'll show you how we made it. First, you want to take your loaf of French bread and cut it in half, then cut it in half again and place it onto your cookie sheet. Next, get your favorite type of sauce, we like the marinara, and spread it onto your bread, however thick that you like it. Then you want some shredded mozzarella cheese, and you're going to put that on top of your bread that's got the sauce on it. Next, get your pepperoni, and you're going to place that on top of the cheese. Now you want to bake this at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and melted and your pepperoni is browned. There you have it, French bread pizza.